Hi, I'm Suhas Kulkarni. I'm very happy to be associated with the program for future managers for R&D. As a country, we have been talking for quite some time about taking manufacturing contribution to the GDP to the level of 20%. Then we also started talking about Make in India. However, these things had not really seen a great result. And I truly believe the missing link was a focus on R&D, and this program has essentially done that. The program which has been run, it gave very good perspective about R&D, what is happening at the global level. Very deep insights were available. Naturally, most of the R&D managers might be in their own cocoon and might be lacking awareness of what is happening around. This program created that platform to improve that awareness. What I believe that the last Independence Day, Prime Minister has given a glaring call about 5 trillion economy, and also he has talked about Jai Anusandhan. So he has really brought R&D to the center table, and I think in that context, this program has really very high relevance for the Indian economy, and so therefore this is very crucial initiative, and I'm very happy that I'm part of the very first batch on R&D managers. In terms of improvements to the program, I believe there is definitely a scope to learn from the history, and maybe the organizers should think about how we can learn from the past, our own history, a global history, as to how the manufacturing, R&D, technology and innovations have really helped a sustainable growth for some of the economies which are today leading in the world. So all the best for the new batches, and I'll be glad to remain associated with this initiative, which I truly believe will help the national cause. Thank you very much, and all the best once again. Thank you.